Belgium, a small country in Western Europe, boasts a surprising variety of landscapes. From rolling hills and dense forests to charming canals and historic cities, Belgium offers a visual feast for any traveler. Whether you crave adventure in nature or the charm of ancient architecture, Belgium has something for everyone. Let's embark on a journey to discover some of Belgium's most scenic spots. Our first stop takes us to the Ardennes, a region of forested hills and valleys in southeast Belgium. This area is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, where nature and history intertwine seamlessly. The rolling hills stretch as far as the eye can see, covered in a lush green canopy that changes with the seasons, offering a different kind of beauty each time you visit. Imagine hiking through dense forests, the air filled with the scent of pine needles. The trails here are a hiker's paradise, winding through thick woods and opening up to stunning vistas. As you walk, the crunch of leaves underfoot and the occasional rustle of wildlife remind you of the vibrant ecosystem that thrives in these woods. Whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a peaceful stroll, the Ardennes has something to offer. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. This interplay of light and shadow creates a magical atmosphere, making you feel as though you've stepped into a different world. The forest is alive with the sounds of birds chirping and the gentle rustling of leaves, providing a serene soundtrack to your adventure. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. The Ardennes is also home to charming villages with historic castles and abbeys. These quaint villages are like stepping back in time, with cobblestone streets, traditional architecture, and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The castles and abbeys stand as proud reminders of the region's rich history, each with its own story to tell. Exploring these historic sites, you can almost hear the echoes of the past and imagine the lives of those who once walked these paths. Explore the ruins of ancient fortresses, remnants of a rich and tumultuous past. These ruins are scattered throughout the Ardennes, each one a testament to the region's strategic importance throughout history. Walking among these ancient stones, you can feel the weight of history and the stories of battles fought and lives lived. It's a humbling experience that connects you to the past in a profound way. The Ardennes offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical intrigue. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the tranquility of nature one moment and find yourself captivated by the stories of the past the next. Whether you're exploring the dense forests, hiking the rolling hills, or delving into the history of the ancient ruins, the Ardennes promises an unforgettable experience. It's a destination that invites you to slow down, take in the beauty around you, and appreciate the rich tapestry of nature and history that makes this region so unique. Next, we travel north to Bruges, a city often called the Venice of the North. Imagine gliding along canals in a boat, passing beneath arched bridges and past medieval buildings. The water reflects the colorful houses, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Bruges is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture. Explore the cobblestone streets, admire the intricate details of guild halls, and climb the Belfry Tower for panoramic views of this captivating city. Just south of Brussels lies Hallerbos, a forest that transforms into a magical wonderland each spring. This enchanting forest, also known as the Blue Forest, is renowned for its breathtaking display of bluebells that bloom in late April to early May. As the days grow warmer and the sunlight becomes more abundant, the forest awakens from its winter slumber, revealing a spectacle that draws visitors from all over the world. Imagine a carpet of bluebells stretching as far as the eye can see. These delicate flowers create a sea of blue that seems almost otherworldly. The bluebells, with their bell-shaped blossoms, form dense clusters that blanket the forest floor, creating a mesmerizing and serene atmosphere. The sight is so captivating that it feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The forest floor is awash in vibrant blue, creating an ethereal and unforgettable sight. Each step you take is accompanied by the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft fragrance of the bluebells, which adds to the magical experience. The vibrant blue of the flowers contrasts beautifully with the fresh green of the emerging foliage, making the entire forest come alive with color and life. Walk beneath the canopy of beech and oak trees as sunlight filters through the leaves, painting the bluebells in different shades. The interplay of light and shadow creates a dynamic and ever-changing landscape, where each moment offers a new perspective. The dappled sunlight highlights the delicate petals of the bluebells, making them shimmer and glow. As you wander along the winding paths, you'll find yourself immersed in the tranquility and beauty of nature. Hallerbos is a true testament to the beauty of the natural world. It serves as a reminder of the wonders that nature can create when left undisturbed. The forest is not only a haven for bluebells, but also a sanctuary for wildlife. Birds, butterflies, and small mammals thrive in this lush environment, adding to the sense of harmony and balance. Visiting Hallerbos during the bluebell season is an experience that stays with you long after you've left. A reminder of the enchanting beauty that exists in the world. Our journey continues to Dinant, a charming town nestled along the banks of the Meuse River. This picturesque town is known for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. As we approach, the first thing that catches our eye is the serene flow of the Meuse River, which has been a lifeline for the town for centuries. The river's gentle currents and the lush greenery that lines its banks create a tranquil and inviting atmosphere. Imagine towering cliffs rising dramatically above the town, with a citadel perched high above. These cliffs are not just a natural wonder, but also a historical landmark. The citadel, which stands proudly atop the cliffs, has witnessed centuries of history and offers a glimpse into the past. From its vantage point, one can see the entire town spread out below, with the river winding its way through the valley. The view from the citadel is nothing short of breathtaking, providing a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical significance. The river meanders through the valley, reflecting the blue sky and green hills. This scenic river is a haven for nature lovers and photographers alike. The way the sunlight dances on the water's surface, creating a shimmering effect, is a sight to behold. The surrounding hills, covered in vibrant greenery, add to the charm of the landscape. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll along the riverbank or simply sitting and enjoying the view, the Meuse River offers a sense of peace and serenity that is hard to find elsewhere. Dinant is the birthplace of Adolphe Sax, inventor of the saxophone. This small town has made a significant contribution to the world of music through this ingenious inventor. Adolphe Sax's legacy lives on in Dinant, where his influence can be seen and felt everywhere. The town takes great pride in being the birthplace of such a remarkable figure, and this pride is evident in the various tributes to Sax scattered throughout the town. The town celebrates its musical heritage with statues and murals dedicated to this iconic instrument. As you walk through the streets of Dinant, you'll come across numerous saxophone-themed artworks, each telling a story of its own. These statues and murals not only pay homage to Adolphe Sax, but also highlight the town's deep-rooted connection to music. The vibrant colors and intricate designs of these artworks add a unique charm to the town, making it a must-visit destination for music enthusiasts. Enjoy a boat ride along the Meuse and soak in the picturesque scenery of this historic town. A boat ride on the Meuse River is an experience like no other. As you glide along the water, you'll get to see Dinant from a different perspective. The gentle rocking of the boat, the cool breeze, and the stunning views all around make for a memorable journey. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply looking for a relaxing escape, a boat ride on the Meuse River is the perfect way to end your visit to Dinant. So sit back, relax, and let the beauty of this charming town wash over you. Ghent, another city with a network of canals, offers a more tranquil alternative to Bruges. Imagine strolling along the Graal, a picturesque waterfront lined with guild halls and cafes. The water reflects the medieval architecture, creating a sense of peace and serenity. Explore Ghent's historic centre, home to St. Bavo Cathedral and the imposing Gravenstein Castle. Ghent offers a charming blend of history, culture, and picturesque canals. Our final stop takes us to Antwerp, a vibrant port city with a rich artistic heritage. Imagine strolling through the historic city centre, marveling at the grandeur of the Grote Markt, a square surrounded by elaborate guild halls. Visit the Rubens House, former home of the Flemish painter Peter Paul Rubens, and explore the trendy fashion district. Antwerp is a city where history, art, and modern life seamlessly intertwine. From the rolling hills of the Ardennes to the charming canals of Bruges and Ghent, Belgium offers a wealth of scenic beauty. Each region has its own unique charm waiting to be explored. What other corners of the world would you like to discover? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through Belgium's scenic wonders, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting adventures around the globe. Let's explore the world together, one breathtaking view at a time.